Hello and welcome back to the Path English. I'm so happy you're here with me today. This isn't just another English lesson. This is a moment for you, a moment to connect with yourself and your goals. Today, we're going to explore how simple, small, daily actions can slowly and powerfully change your life, your confidence, your focus, and yes, your English. In this special practice, I'll be speaking clearly and calmly. I'll use simple words and repeat important ideas, making it easy for you to follow along. The goal here is for you to listen, repeat, and speak with me. This technique is called shadowing. You listen and you speak at the same time as me, matching my pace and rhythm. So, find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin this journey together. Most people live their lives on autopilot. They wake up, they scroll through their phones, they go to work, they come home, they sleep, and then they repeat the same cycle the next day. But real meaningful change starts the moment you decide to choose your own direction. One of the most powerful habits you can build is to describe your future as if it's already happening right now. Instead of saying, I want to speak English, start saying, I speak English with confidence. Instead of thinking, someday I will be calm, tell yourself, I feel calm and focused every day. Your brain listens carefully to the words you use. When you consistently repeat a story, your mind starts to believe it's true. This is the foundation of change. So let's try it. Grab a notebook or open a file on your computer. Write down 2 or 3 sentences that describe your desired reality. For example, I speak clearly and confidently at work. Or, I feel proud when I have conversations in English. Maybe, I learn something new and exciting every day. Now, say these sentences out loud. Feel the words. When your words begin to change, your actions will slowly but surely follow. These small sentences are powerful. They create a big new direction for your life. Think of your mind like a room with a door. Everything you watch, everything you hear, and everything you listen to walks right through that door and into your mind. If you open the door to constant stress and negativity, you will feel stressed. If you open the door to fear and doubt, you will feel afraid. But what if you choose to open the door to growth? You will grow. Take a moment to ask yourself honestly, what am I feeding my mind every single day? Is it too much bad news? Too much social media comparison? Too much complaining, either from others or from yourself? Now, let's imagine something completely different. Imagine you listen to positive, constructive English every day. You watch videos that teach you something valuable. You hear voices that inspire you and push you forward. Here's a simple trick you can start using immediately. Use English as your daily soundtrack. Play it in the background while you cook your meals, while you're walking outside, or while you're cleaning your home. Let the sounds of English enter your ears again and again and again. Your environment has a massive impact on your energy. Make the choice to fill it with input that builds you up, not breaks you down. Your brain absolutely loves pictures. It thinks in images. That's why another incredibly powerful habit is to visualize your goals. You don't need any fancy tools or complicated techniques. All you need is a little bit of clarity and a few moments of your time. I want you to close your eyes for a moment, right now. Just for a moment, imagine yourself speaking English fluently. Picture the scene. Maybe you're in a meeting, at a coffee shop, or talking to a friend. Your voice is calm and steady. Your sentences flow effortlessly. The people you're talking to understand you perfectly, and they're engaged in the conversation. Really see it in your mind's eye. Now open your eyes. Let's capture that feeling. Write down one simple sentence that describes this vision. It could be, I speak English naturally and easily. Or, I feel completely relaxed when I talk to people. Or maybe, I express my ideas clearly and with impact. Take this sentence and put it somewhere you will see it every single day. Make it your phone's wallpaper. Stick it on your desk. Pin it to your wall. When you see this sentence, your brain gets a reminder of where you are going. What you see on a daily basis slowly becomes who you are. So many of us have a habit of only seeing what's missing. We think, my English is so bad. Or, I always make so many mistakes. Or, I'm just not ready to speak yet. But true growth starts when you begin to notice what is already working, no matter how small. Every night before you go to sleep, ask yourself three simple questions. First, what did I learn today? Second, what did I try today? And third, what small win did I have today? Your answers don't need to be huge. For example, I practiced shadowing for 5 minutes. Or, I repeated one new sentence until it felt natural. Or even, I understood a new word in a video I watched. After you identify these small wins, say thank you to yourself for the effort. This practice of gratitude builds a sense of calm. That calm builds genuine confidence. And what do confident people do? They speak more. They take more risks. They grow faster. Big, ambitious goals can often feel heavy and overwhelming. Thinking about becoming fluent can feel like trying to climb a giant mountain. And that's why so many people give up before they even start. The secret is to break it down. Instead of long, draining study sessions, use short, focused bursts of time. Here's a simple method you can use. Set a timer for just 20 minutes. For those 20 minutes, put your phone away. No scrolling, no distractions. It's just you and English. During this time, you can listen, repeat, or shadow a video. Just focus completely. When the timer goes off, stop. Get up, stretch your body, take a few deep breaths, and drink a glass of water. Later in the day, if you have time, you can do another 20-minute round. You don't need to find hours of free time. What you need are consistent, focused minutes, day after day. Short bursts of focus create long-term, sustainable progress. Did you know that your body and your English are deeply connected? If your body feels tired, stiff, and sluggish, your brain will be slow and unfocused. That's why it's so important to move a little every single day. It can be simple. Roll your shoulders back and forth. Go for a quick 10-minute walk. Stretch your arms up toward the sky. Now let's try something together. Let's breathe. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And now exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do it again. Inhale, hold, and exhale. When your body relaxes, your voice relaxes too. And relaxed voices sound clearer, more confident, and help you speak better English. Belief by itself is not enough. Action by itself is also not enough. To truly transform, you need both working together. First, you must believe, I can learn English. It is possible for me. Then, you must act on that belief. I will practice today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not someday. Today. Your action can be tiny. Shadow just 1 minute of a video. Repeat one paragraph until it feels comfortable. Say one new sentence out loud. These small daily actions accumulate over time, building into big, noticeable results. Fluency isn't magic, it's momentum. When you move forward every day, even just a little, your English moves forward with you. Now I want you to speak with me. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. Again, I am improving every day. Now say, I speak with more confidence. Again, I speak with more confidence. And one more. My English is becoming natural. Again, my English is becoming natural. Feel the vibration of your voice. Feel the rhythm of the words. This is how change happens. This is how it enters your body and becomes a part of you. You did great work today. You didn't just listen passively. You participated. You practiced. You spoke. And every single time you speak, every time you practice, you are building a new, more confident version of yourself. Remember this. Your life changes with small, consistent daily actions. Your English grows with daily shadowing and practice. Your confidence rises with every single word you dare to speak. Come back to this practice whenever you need a reminder or a boost. Listen again, shadow with me again, and keep adding to the story of who you are becoming. This is the Path English. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.